Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Instagram friends on Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Thread app and you need to open Thread application. So once you open, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and here you need to click on your followers, and then you need to click on following, and here you can see your friends, but here you can see I am unable to see. You simply need to click on see all, and here you can see all your Instagram friends, and if you want to follow, you simply need to click on follow button from here, and if you want to follow all, you simply need to click on follow all and click on confirm. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.